In this video, we're gonna take a look at Quicken Classic Business and Personal for Mac. So we're gonna see if this is worth it or not. Now, as you can see, the plan starts at around $9 per month if you build this annually. So I have here a list with different pros and cons. So you're gonna take a look at that. Now we're gonna start with the pros. As you can see, combines personal and business finance in one. Clean user-friendly interface, good for budgeting, invoicing and tracking, syncs with bank accounts and investments. Now the cons, so the Mac version lacks some Windows features, limited customization for business reports, no true double entry accounting, and can feel pricey for casual users. So overall, Quicken Classic Business and Personal for Mac is a solid choice for solopreneurs and freelancers wanting a simple all-in-one finance tool, but may fall short for those needing robust business accounting features. So basically that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.